Hi folks, welcome back to Math with Captain Rod. I'm making this video here to provide another example, solving equations with inequalities. Now this one that we're going to look at's got some fractions in it. So there's a couple things we could do here. Method number one, we could find an LCD, which would be 15, write these all within the LCD of 15. We could combine this stuff on the left and proceed like that. Or we can clear out all the fractions. And that's what I like to do. So what I'm going to do here is get rid of all the fractions by multiplying the entire equation by the least common denominator here. So if we multiply the entire equation by 15, again, you have to get everything. When we take this times this, we'll have x minus 1, and then 15 over 3 is 5. So that's going to be x minus 1 times 5. Next term, when we take 15 times this term, the x plus 2 is not going anywhere. And then 15 over 5 is 3. Right? The inequality, because this is plus 15, nothing changes here. Had that been minus 15, we would reverse the inequality. Ooh, wait a minute. Both sides, no, we wouldn't do that. This thing would just stay put. And then this multiplication right here, 3 times 15 over 5. Now 15 over 5 is 3, times another 3 is 9. Alright, so now we'll just proceed here to solve for x. This is screaming to distribute this, so that's going to be a 5x, and then minus 5, and that's going to be a 3x, times this is plus 6, and again less than or equal to 9. And then we've got x terms to combine, so that's going to be 8x, and why don't we combine these as well, this and this. 6 minus 5 is 1, and again less than or equal to 9. Subtracting 1, we're going to have 8x is less than or equal to 8, divide by 8, and we're going to have x less than or equal to 1. Now, again, because we're dividing by positive 8, the inequality direction stays. Had we divided by negative 8, that would reverse the inequality direction. Okay, this solution on a number line looks like this. Well, here's 0. 0 is a happy number. I like to put that there. Here's 1 over here to the right. Now, there's equality here, so we'll start with a closed circle on the 1. X less than means all this stuff to the left solves it. So anything like this is a solution to this original inequality. In interval notation, our solution is from minus infinity to 1. It is including the 1 because of the equals there. So we'll use what I call a hard bracket there. So these are our solutions here, kind of 3 different ways to write it, using the inequality on a number line, interval notation. So, nice short video on solving inequalities. I hope that this helps. Have a great day.